If you see a great deal on online shopping right now, and if you open up a credit card, you're going to get an extra X amount off. Don't do it. Don't do anything other than what you're doing now. If you're in the process of buying a home and your lease is up, okay, you're looking for that 2021, you're ready to trade in your 2018, don't do anything without speaking to your loan officer. You can really screw things up.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
So
and a lot of people think that once the credit's pulled, that's it. But all banks are gonna, they monitor that credit, and right before closing, there's gonna be what's called a refresh. And any new, inquiries, even if you were shopping for a car, you didn't take out that car loan, the bank's gonna be able to see that you had your credit pulled, and they're gonna want to confirm that you didn't take out a new car loan. So if you do take something out, well, it's going to be factored in, and that could be the difference between qualifying and not qualifying. So you just want to make sure that if there are any 100% necessary purchases, you're just running the numbers by your loan officer before.
And if you're thinking about changing jobs or
yeah,
that's a big one. So if you're, you've got a great job on the horizon, you're going to make more money with company B. They're going to be, again, share that with your loan officer, because they're going to be doing what they call a VOE, a verification of employment.
Right.
And
right before closing, we make sure that you're still working, especially now with COVID, right? This is not only a tough seller's market, but it's a tough lending market, because there are additional risks for lenders because of the current pandemic, right? People are at higher risk of potentially being furloughed or losing their job. So it's all things that we are, required to verify, and those verifications occur right before closing.
Which I just thought of something else, Donnie, and we've had this problem before. And again, guys, as you can see, this is unscripted. So, okay, we've all been quarantined. So if you're expecting,
right, yeah,
okay, and your due date and your closing date are pretty close.
Right.
If you're out of work, it's a problem.
Yeah, so that you just want to have the plan in place. So it doesn't mean that you can't buy if you're expecting, but there are ways that we structure the closing to make sure that you're either still working before the closing, or you're going back to work within 90 days of the closing.
Right, and then you have to show two pay stubs.
On certain programs.
On certain programs.
So you just want to make sure you talk to your loan officer and make sure the correct plan is in place for your situation, because it does vary.
These are just hiccups that we've experienced over the years that, if we can help someone here tonight or someone that watches the recording, we know that we've done good.